Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fitbit Sense easy guide step by step clearly. To set up your Fitbit Sense, start by charging your device. Connect the charging cable to the back of your watch. Plug the other end into a USB port or wall charger. Allow the watch to charge until it reaches at least 50%. Next, download the Fitbit app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app once it's installed. If you're new to Fitbit, select Join Fitbit to create an account. If you already have an account, tap on Login and enter your credentials. After logging in, tap on Set up a device. Choose Fitbit Sense from the list of devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your watch with your smartphone. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. The app will prompt you to confirm the pairing code displayed on your watch. Once confirmed, your Fitbit Sense will sync with the app. Next, set up your health and fitness preferences in the app. You can customize notifications, alarms, and more to suit your needs. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the features available on your Fitbit Sense. Swipe through the interface to explore options like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and guided breathing. Your Fitbit Sense is now ready for use. Start tracking your health and fitness journey with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.